Interesting story here in the Doug and Nikki household. We got a cool day bed outside, and it has these kind of really nice weatherproof cushions on it, but they slide around a lot, right? Because they got that kind of weatherproof kind of, they're not vinyl, but like slippery kind of nature to them. And it's annoying me like mad, driving me crazy. So I'm like, how could I resolve this? Oh, two-sided Velcro. Sticker on both sides, heavy duty, nice big size strips of Velcro. So there's only one thing to do. I'm gonna go install it outside, put it on my furniture, see if those cushions stop moving around on me. And if they do, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you, this is so cool, you should get this. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If these make a giant sticky mess and come apart instantly, I'm gonna come back and say they suck. They get a 0 out of 5 on the Doug score. Anyway, I gotta go test them out, come back, let you know what I thought. All right, so here's the project that I was discussing. These pillows slide around a lot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 underneath the pillow. All right, let's put this on, see how it works.
Much better.
Look at that, not sliding at all. So there's a cool use for this double-sided Velcro with 3M tape. I'm sure there are 1,000 other uses, but this is how I chose to use it. Hope that was helpful.